These body washes are my new holy grails. I really want to try this gloss. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and welcome to another video. Now this is a video I do every month. It's my monthly favorites, and this month I shopped a lot of beauty finds, be it skincare or makeup, but it's just beauty items I shopped this month, and I thought I'll share it with you guys because you guys love my monthly favorites and I love sharing everything that I've been loving in a month or I've been using recently, some new purchases, because मुझे ना पुराने प्रोडक्ट से बहुत जल्दी बोरियत होती है, तो मुझे होता है कि यार कुछ नए नए प्रोडक्ट ट्राई करते रहना चाहिए. तो आई थिंक आई गॉट क्वाइट अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ दिस टाइम एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू शो यू गाइस व्हाट ऑल आई हैव. बिफोर आई गेट इनटू द वीडियो, लेट मी टेल यू दैट सारे प्रोडक्ट्स जो हैं वो Amazon से हैं. Amazon पे सेल भी चल रही है. देयर आर सम अमेजिंग ऑफर्स, यू कैन चेक दिस आउट. आई विल मेक श्योर आई लिंक एवरीथिंग इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. कमेंट्स में भी सारे लिंक्स पिन कर दूंगी जो भी मैं आज आपको आइटम्स दिखाऊंगी उन सब के. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू, लेट्स गेट इनटू इट. Okay, I'm gonna start with like body care first because I have been lovingly taking care of my body. So let me share some of my body favorites. Now the first thing I have is this huge Dove body wash. It's their dryness care body wash, 24 hours moisturized skin. I love Dove body washes. I have used इनके पहले भी and this is a new variant that I wanted to try. मैंने ये नहीं यूज करा है but मैंने ये बहुत बड़ा ऑर्डर कर लिया. It's like a 800 ml bottle. Although काफी affordable था, I think under ₹500 ही था. So this is the first item that I got and I love it. It's just makes your skin feel so soft. मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती. I also have eczema on my legs, so I need to have body washes which are like very gentle for your skin. And this is, trust me, very gentle for my skin. So this is the first item that I got and I love its texture. Everything about this body wash is perfect. So this is what I've been using currently. And it's just a very smooth texture to lather also. So nane mein maza aata hai iske saath. So this is the first item I got. Next up, I got another body wash which is by Chemist at Play. It's a brightening body wash with ceramides. I have used this पहले भी. इनके दो अलग variants, the blue one and the orange one, but I have never tried the yellow one. So this one is also with vitamin C, niacinamide, and I love all of these products in my skincare. मैं मुंह पे लगाती हूँ तो I was like let's try it for body. I haven't tried this one yet to be honest because आप देख सकते हो इसकी packaging है. Dove वाला अभी मैं use कर रही हूँ. So I wanted to like try and test out Dove first and then use this. But I'm very excited to try this out. इसलिए मैं सोचा मैं आपको हॉल में दिखा देती हूँ. मैंने लिया था तो yeah, that is the next product that I got. Then a shampoo that is my absolute favorite and go-to is this L'Oreal ka Hyaluron Pure Purifying Shampoo. Now I love the L'Oreal ka Hyaluron Moisture range, the purple shampoo that comes. I have shown it previously in some hauls also. I use it religiously. So they launched this new shampoo. एंड मेरे वॉशरूम एक लिटरली रखा है जो मैंने आधा खत्म करा है. इसको लॉन्च करे 1-1.5 महीना हुआ है और वो मेरे 1-1.5 महीने में ऑलरेडी मैं यूज कर रही हूँ. एंड आई ऑर्डर्ड लाइक अ बैकअप फॉर दिस बिकॉज आई लव इट so much. So I have like a oily scalp and dry hair, and Bombay ka weather makes my scalp even more oily. So this is that one shampoo that comes in like really handy क्योंकि ये जेंटली आपके सारे बालों से ऑयल रिमूव कर देता है एंड आपकी जो लेंथ है उसे हाइड्रेट करता है. सो अगर किसी को ऑयली रूट्स का दिक्कत है, सो आई थिंक दिस हैज टू बी दैट वन शैम्पू दैट यू नीड टू ट्राई. Trust me, you won't go back to like any other shampoo and you'll thank me in my next video because ये इतना effective है. I'm not saying it because ये मतलब मुझे कुछ किसी ने पैसे दिए, बट ये legit इतना अच्छे से काम करता है ना आपके बालों पे कि आपको लगेगा कि वाओ क्या शैम्पू है यार, अगर आपका ऑयली स्कैल्प है जैसे मेरा है. So this is the next item I want to show you guys. I love using it currently. Then I restocked on some of my favorites, which is this Innisfree face wash. This is their amino hydrating cleansing foam. This is the face wash I use in morning and I love using it. In fact, Shlok also uses this now. वो पहले पता नहीं कोई और यूज करता था, बट नाउ सिंस ही स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इट सिंस अ मंथ बैक, उसको था कि नहीं यू रीस्टॉक दिस, मैं भी यही यूज करूंगा. ही लव दिस सो मच. ये मेरी स्किन टाइप को बहुत सूट करता है, सो आई लव यूजिंग दिस वन एंड एब्सोल्युटली ऑब्सेस्ड विद दिस फेस वॉश. इट्स परफेक्ट फॉर पीपल जिनकी यू नो सेंसिटिव स्किन है. एट द सेम टाइम अगर आप का टी जोन ऑयली रहता है, कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन है, उन सारे लोगों के लिए परफेक्ट है. सो आई लव एंड इन जनरल आई लव Innisfree के products and their face washes are like too good. So this is the next item that I got. Up, I got these cleansing pads from Earth Rhythm. I have used them previously, so it's more of a restock. And I got them in like 2 colors. So basically जब हम मेकअप हटाते हैं फिर using a micellar water, जब मैं कम यूज करती हूँ, मैं 90% cleansing oils यूज करती हूँ, but there are days when you feel like extremely lazy and you don't want to like double wash your face. So in those scenarios, I use like a makeup remover, which is a micellar water remover, and then instead of using like cotton pads, because मुझे लगता है cotton pads यार बार बार लगा के throw कर रहे हो, I prefer using these reusable pads. तो आपने इसके ऊपर micellar water लगाया, you gently remove your makeup and you can wash them. So you can use them in like so many times. I think मैंने इसको third time खरीदा in past 3 years. I make sure कि मैं every makeup remover के बाद तो इसको wash नहीं करती हूँ, but once I have used it like twice or thrice, एक side, I make sure I wash it. And that way you are also making like a more ecological choice and also saving money. I love using this makeup remover pads by Earth Rhythm. Absolutely must have. पहले मेरे पास इसमें दो ब्लैक कलर थे, एक बार मेरे पास इसमें एक ब्लैक एक बेज था, तो कलर माइट कम डिफरेंटली. आई गॉट अ पिंक वन दिस टाइम, which is very cute, and a black one. So I love these two, and it's like very affordable. I think you get it for like rupees 300 or 250 something, दो का set. So definitely a must have. Okay, next up we have some makeup, because as I said in the beginning, it's just a beauty haul this time in my monthly favorites. So I got this mascara by Maybelline. It's a Hyper Curl mascara. I am a mascara girly. I love putting mascaras and blushes, and glosses in general. Yeah. So I am not a person who invests a lot in like base makeup, because वो मैं Maybelline में करती रहती हूँ. But I love trying like mascaras and other stuff. So I got this one and I was very excited to try this, because I think ये Maybelline का एक लौता mascara है जो मैंने try नहीं करा है. So let's just put it and see how well it works. Okay, see the difference? You can see, right? It looks so nice. Wow, I love this. I love this mascara. So this is the next item I got. It's a Hyper Curl mascara and curls like really beautifully. So yeah, that's the next item I got. Now coming to some lip products. So सबसे पहले तो I got this lipstick from Maybelline. Now this is their shade More Mauve, and I love like these kind of nudish pinkish shades. So this is what it looks like. I absolutely love the color, and like if you swatch it, it's just such a beautiful pink. So I love it. It glides like really gently. अभी मेरे lips पे already है थोड़ा सा gloss. I'm not gonna apply it on my lips because gloss दिख जाएगा, but lipstick का color समझ में नहीं आएगा. But it's this very pretty pinkish mauve color, and I love it. I'm so gonna use it this summer. So yeah, that is the next item I got. Okay, coming to the last item of this haul, which is this gloss from Fay Beauty. I have never tried any product from Fay Beauty. ये मेरा पहला product है Fay Beauty से, and I really want to try the gloss because I'm a glossy girl, as you can see, and I've heard so much about their glosses. So I got this one. It's in the shade called as Living. Okay, I love the shade name. Let's try it. I'm gonna apply it upon this only. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, this is how the gloss looks like. I absolutely love it. Such a beautiful gloss. मतलब मेरे favorite glosses Maybelline के lip gloss है. But one try of this and I can assure you this is going to be my favorite. I love it. Like the color is so beautiful and like the shine. Absolutely love it. So good. I want to try more of their colors, so I'm gonna definitely order some of those. और उसको मैं next monthly favorites में दिखाऊंगी. But इसके लिए I love this one. So guys, these were all the items I got from Amazon recently in my monthly favorites. Everything that I tried this month, a lot of beauty, like skincare and makeup. Do comment on below if you've tried something or if you want to try something. I'm gonna see you guys super soon with another video. And जो भी मैंने आपको दिखाया है सब कुछ description box में mention कर दूंगी, comments में pin कर दूंगी, तो आप check कर लेना. And if you did like it, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys super soon with another video. Until then, bye guys, take care.